Yes! Yo, what is happening, guys? My name is Durgesh. So today we are going to take a tour of my grandparents' house in Rajgangpur. It is a small, beautiful town situated in Sundargarh, situated in Odisha, Sundargarh district. So let's go. First, let us take the tour of the garden. First, let me get down, guys. So guys, there are totally 6 mango trees in our garden. This is the tree number 1. That is the tree number 2. Tree number 4, 5, and then 6. And then we have a bale fruit plant. That is a bale plant. From that we get the bale fruit. And then this is the neem tree. From this there are so many neem leaves, and that is the bale tree. There are so many bale fruits. From the bale fruit we make bale juice. It will be very nice. And guys, the mango has not yet ripe. It is still green color. The mangoes is still green color. So guys, now let us go inside. And guys, this is a banana plant. It has not yet grown. And this is the lemon plant. And this is the coconut tree. There are 3 coconuts you have to get. And guys, this is Mallige Hua. In Kannada we call it as Mallige Hua, and in Hindi and English we call it as Malli flower. And this is the star flower. And here also there are so many Malli flowers. And this is jasmine. And guys, this is the papaya tree. They are very small papayas now. And this is tulsi. Here also there is the malli flower plant. This is curry leaves. Here also there is curry leaves. This is tulsi. So guys, now let us go inside. And guys, if we come here is the way to go to terrace. And guys, now we'll go inside. We'll put a mosquito net door so that mosquitoes should not come inside. And then this is our TV. It is a very old TV. And here we have kept a cooler. In summer we on it sometimes. And then this is the puja room. And this is the motor. And here is the UPS box and all the switch to control the puja room. And guys, see, we have kept the jasmines and some malli flower and one hibiscus we have kept over here. And guys, this is my great grandfather and this is my great grandmother. And guys, this is only the bale fruit. There are 3 left. And guys, now let us go to the next room. This is the dining table. Guys, and this is the sofa. And guys, this is both the mamas. And this is my grandfather. And this is my grandmother. And guys, this is my mama. This is also my mama, and this also. And this is the group photo of my grandfather's office. He was working in Oshel India Limited. And guys, we have kept it on the TV. It is sweet memories. And guys, here we have kept the sofa where we eat food. And here is the tea table. And here is the bed where my grandfather sleeps. And then here we have kept a radio And that here is a shelf. In the dining table we have kept some suitcase of ours, and we have kept the medicine and the water bottle. This is my grandparents' medicine box. This is my grandfather's and this is my grandmother's. And guys, if we go over here, we get the kitchen. And this is a borewell water. No need to filter it, guys. It is borewell water. It is very sweet water. And here is a shelf where we have kept all the vessels. And here we have kept all the knives, scissors and all, guys. Here we have kept some vessels. This is the stove. Only two places are there. And here is the bell fruit. Today morning we have kept it. And here also all the masalas and all. And here we have kept the boost which I drink daily. And here we have kept all the snacks, atta and all. This is the pickle, mango pickle. And this is the fridge. And if we go here, we get the storeroom. In the storeroom, it is all old items. My grandfather used it for farming. Here is the shelf where we have kept some dress. This all is for farming items. And this is the mouse trap. Here is a bed which we are not using. This is another bed. And this is my grandmother's room. If we go in this room, here we get the bathroom. And here we get the shelves. Here we have kept some dress and some other items also. And from this room we get the garden view. Get the full garden view from here. And guys, this is bed. This room's speciality is here. This is a air cooler room. Here there is a AC. And guys, we use in the morning time we use the table fan. And here is the almirah. And guys, we are using the table because the fan is not working. There is some problem. So we are using the table fan. And if we go like this, here we get our room, where when we come over here, we sleep over here. If you go here, we get the washing machine. And this is the bathroom. And here there is the shelf where we have kept so many vessels. And from this room also we get the garden view. And we can see the school also a little bit. This school is Aurobindo School. It is behind our home. And this is the bed. And this is the cooler. Guys, now you know how much hot it's it. It is daily 43 degree, 40 degree like that. So we have kept the cooler. Here is the dressing table. And here we have kept some things. And here is the almirah where we have kept our dress. And we have kept so many dresses here. And guys, this is the main gate. It is very big. There is one way to go to the garden. There is a tulsi plant over here. And here is the pipe from where we put water. This is the small tulsi plant. And this is the old time borewell. And this is the Aurobindo School. This is the wall. From here we can see the school. So guys, if you like the video, please like the video, share with the friends, subscribe and on the notification bell. And bye guys. If you enjoyed the stream, like, subscribe, share and on the notification bell. Goodbye.